Meaning of dementedly.
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 Dementedly. Dementedly is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are crazy, insane, or irrational. When someone behaves dementedly, they act in a manner that is not logical or reasonable. They may exhibit behaviors that are unusual, erratic, or unpredictable. Their words and actions may not make sense to others, and they may be unable to control their impulses. Demented behavior can result in harm to oneself or others. It is important to seek professional help if someone is exhibiting signs of demented behavior.